Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Almotairi. I am presenting my Fatul Faris Mystery Shop project. Fatul Faris is a high-rated breakfast restaurant in Saudi Arabia. The restaurant was named after Faris, Turkey. The main food consists of mainly breakfast items because the owner loved trying breakfast items from around the world. He wanted to model and have people try all the breakfast he had tried. So he was a businessman and started his own business for breakfast. He opened his first restaurant in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Now he has 7 restaurants around the country. I visited the Burj Al Hilal branch location. Measurements were taken by being written and memorized. Written permission was obtained prior to conducting the mystery shop. The questions that I hope to find from this mystery shop are: how will the service at the restaurant? How are the reservation and is the reservation made by phone or through the app? At the location, is there enough parking and how far is the parking? How is the restaurant dealing with COVID-19? How does the hostess welcome the customers and how are the table prepared and cleaned before after the service? How does the waitress take the order and serve the food? How will the food quality and how is the final payment taken? Data collected by searching online for this location's specific information. The branch manager Abdullah Bahlul gave a written permission to do the mystery shop and help me. The reservation are made through the app. I made the reservation on Thursday, November the 12th, for 2 people. This branch was in a good location in a nice, beautiful neighborhood. The restaurant had enough parking in the front and in the basement. Before entering the restaurant, the waitress checked body temperature and people had to wear masks to help keep from spreading COVID-19. The tables were clean and sanitized and set for 2 people. The menu was easy to read and organize. It had both languages, English and Arabic. There were several options and varieties of international food, including family meals. Tables were used to take the order. The wait for the food was less than 10 minutes. The food was perfectly cooked and delicious to eat. The waitress checked on us while we were eating to ensure the food was good. The debit machine was brought to the table for final payment. There are a few recommendations about the restaurant. Firstly, the restaurant had some insects that bothered the customers, where they had to move the customers to another table. Secondly, the drinks were served late after the food was served and did not have sugar bags for hot beverages. Lastly, prices were higher than the average of other breakfast restaurants in the country. In conclusion, the idea of serving a variety of breakfast meals from different countries around the world is rare to find in Saudi Arabia. The location and the parking lot were safe and organized for customers. The tables were fully prepared for walking and reserved customers. The branch was rated in Google 4 out of 5 stars, and it truly deserved it. Thank you for your time.